In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own dot journal or your own bullet journal. Basically, sometimes we get a journal that has an empty page and we want it to be with the dots or lines or grids and things like that. So no matter what kind of journal you bought, you could always make it into a bullet journal, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. So the first part of this video is for people that have Canva Pro account, and also if you don't, you can get a 30-day trial and just cancel it after. And the second part is for people that don't have Canva Pro, don't want to get Canva Pro, and just want to use it for free. So this is the two parts. Let's get started. So these are the bullet journals, and let me just create a new page. Then I'm gonna type in T for text. So, or you could click here, and then I will just write a bunch of dots. And to make it faster, I'll choose Command plus A. So this is the shortcut for Mac users, and this is a shortcut for Windows. So you can just use Command plus A, and then we're just gonna copy and paste. I'm sure you know a shortcut for that. So then I'm just gonna do this. Now, once I'm done, once I'm happy, I'm gonna just copy this whole thing, and yeah. Then what we need to do is we need to add some spacing. So we click this icon here and we increase the letter spacing. I usually just go all the way. And then the line spacing we increase depending on what you want. Usually it's just 1. But if it's too small for you, you can make it bigger. And then here I can just delete the rest of the dots. So the way I would do it, I would use this shortcut, Command Shift and a down arrow. Again, for Windows users, this is it. And so I'm gonna go here, click twice, go to the back of my dot, use the shortcut and just delete everything else. So now I have kind of like a perfect page, and I can add one more, just copy and paste. And I can make it, for example, a little smaller. So I'm holding the Option key to make it equal on both sides. I can also decrease the transparency, so it's just barely there. And I can also go a little bit crazy and OCD on this. And what I mean by that is that instead of adding whatever number of dots, which to me looks fine already, if I wanted it to be bigger, I can make it bigger by just extending it. So I would just click this and make the command, hold the Command key, and then I can make those dots super big, super quick, and they're all, nice. Now, if you're OCD, then I usually have number 39, so we need 39 dots. And because I'm lazy, I have a formula on my Google Sheets so that it counts the dots for me. And then I just copy the dots, go to my bullet journal. Let me just create a new page. Click T, have my dots, and expand it. So this is how it would look like. It would be pretty big. And then I just copy and paste my dots. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add letter spacing. And I see that, okay, I did it all wrong. Let me fix this. Let me click T again, just do this. And now first I need to make the spacing. And then once I did, that's when I expand the dots, because now I know how big they have to be. And then I will move this, copy it, paste it a bunch of times. Just gonna copy this whole thing and paste it again. So here we have this, and it can be, it doesn't have to be on the page, it doesn't matter, we're not gonna see it anyways. So this is how it looks like. And if you're really crazy, then you can count these dots and make sure there's 29 here. If not, you just choose this to be 1. And this is how it looks like. If you want a little bit more spacing, then you would choose 1.5, or just move it until it looks eye pleasing to you. That's another way. If I do want it 1 and I don't have enough dots, well then I just have to make more dots. Really that simple. For color changes, I mean, it's also probably self-explanatory, but just in case, we can decrease the transparency, we can change the color to, let's say, pink. I can increase the transparency so you can see it. Another way I really like using dots, and for me I like dark journals personally, even though I know most people don't. So I would just choose it like that, have it black, or I would even add an element. So let's say black gradient. So I'd have a little gradient over here, whichever I like. Oh, not this, maybe it's something like this. Let me just go all the way and change the color to white and change the transparency. So I could have a lot of different sticky notes, a lot of different options. Now, to download the transparent version on Canva Pro is super easy. You click share, you click download, you click transparent background, you choose the page you want or all of the pages, and you just download them. That's literally it. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, you can go to this website, which is called LunaPic, and then you can upload an image here. So I'm gonna choose a file, I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna upload it, and then I'm gonna click that I want to background removal tools. Okay, great. So I can use this automatic, so I'll just choose that and wait and wait and wait, and here is the final option, which I don't like, so we're gonna go to all transparency tool instead, because it's a lot better, and I'm gonna increase the transparency because I see there's a little bit of pink. So actually with this I can see what's going on with my image, so I like that better, and I can just decrease it, you know, so that I don't have the pink background, but also it's not blurry, it looks fine. So let's start again. I'm gonna click here. Okay, so what I don't like is that I already did that and now it's just messing everything up, so this new tool got me interested. Don't do that. Okay, so let me upload the image, then let's do pink because it's a little more complicated, and then I'm gonna go for background removal tools, and I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna click on the area, the pink area, and then that's it. That's what it looks like. So again, I can add a little bit more transparency, even maybe all the way, apply, and download the image. And this is how my final image looks like. So I have my little dots. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.